Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and I know you've been looking for that Fisherman-style sandal. It's gonna keep you looking cool on the playground. Well, guess what? The Playground Sandal from Western Chief Kids might just be the one. So let's go check it out. This sandal is made from a lightweight PVC material on the upper. It's got lots of flexibility, gonna give you all day comfort, and lots of breathability with all those cutouts in the Fisherman style. That front piece you can see is a little more textured and a little more protective to keep those toes safe. And same goes on the back of the heel, so that even out on the splash pad you're gonna be safe. Got one hook and loop closure on the front for easy, quick in and out and that secure fit. And combined with a super soft synthetic material on the inside, gonna have a comfy in sandal feel. And down in that footbed, got lots of nice padding, give you a comfy all day wear, with a little bit of a cool texture and pattern in there for a pop of summer fun. And all those goodies are riding on top of that synthetic outsole that's got tons of flexibility and great grip out on that splash pad. So for some cool summer style on and off the playground, gotta go pick these ones up. They're from Western Chief Kids.